Hi all, welcome to Narayana Live Classes, Social Assignment dated 19/6/2020 for class 8. Today we are discussing about the chapter Minerals and Power Resources. 10 questions are there plus map pointing. Let's discuss the first question. Which country is the first in the world to develop hydroelectricity? So as we all know that hydroelectricity is generated through water. So in the world, the first it was developed by Norway. So we are writing the answer here. Norway is the first country to develop hydroelectricity in the world. Let's see the second question. Name any two countries that are the major producers of natural gas. As we all know that natural gas is a conventional source of energy. The countries in the world who are the major producers of natural gas are Russia and Norway. Russia and Norway are the countries with major producers of natural gas. Where we can find natural gas? So from where we can extract natural gas, that is the question. As we all know that it is found with the petroleum deposits and we can release it once the crude oil is extracted into the surface of earth. So the third answer, it is found with petroleum deposits and released when crude oil is taken to the surface. To the fourth question, name any two chief producing countries of petroleum. So as we know that most of the Arabian countries, oil fields are there. So which is the country chief in producing or major in producing petroleum? The answer is Iran and Iraq. Iran and Iraq are the countries with major petroleum production. Now moving to the fifth question. Name the petroleum producing places in our country. In India, which are the petroleum producing areas? So in India, the major petroleum producing states are, one is in Digboy of Assam, which is there in the easternmost part, Digboy of Assam, and the other one is Mumbai High, which is in the offshores of Maharashtra. Then the sixth question, name the places where natural gas is produced in our country. Name the places where natural gas is produced in our country. The answer is, sixth one, Jaisalmer. Jaisalmer is in Rajasthan. Then Krishna Godavari Delta, which is there in the region of Andhra Pradesh. Then Tripura and Mumbai High. So these are the places with the natural gas production in our country. Moving to the seventh question. Name the major producers of petroleum countries in the world. In the world, the major petroleum producing countries are USA, Russia, Venezuela and Algeria. USA, Russia, Venezuela and Algeria. These are the countries with the major production of petroleum in the world. To the eighth question, why petroleum is referred to as black gold? Petroleum, as we know that it's very thick and black in color, and why it is gold? Because it is a valuable one. It's more valuable in the society. That's why it is called as black gold. Petroleum is thick black liquid and most valuable in the society. Now the question, which countries are the leading producers of hydropower in the world? The first question we can see here, the hydroelectricity where it is produced. So the answer we can start with Norway. Hydropower is there in Norway, Brazil and China. Norway, Brazil and China are the countries who are leading with the production of hydropower in the world. Then the last question, name some important hydropower stations in India. As we know that there are many hydropower stations in India which is associated with the dams. So the first one is Bhakranangal, then Damodar Valley hydropower project, then Nagarjuna Sagar, so these are the major hydropower stations in our country. So these 10 questions, and now we will go with map pointing. Yeah. Now here we have to mark the oil producing areas as well as the natural gas available areas in the political map of India. For your easy understanding, I have marked here A, B, C, D. So the first two are the oil producing regions. We can find here Digboi, which is in the easternmost part of India, which is topmost, you can find out in Assam. So Digboi of Assam, for your understanding, I have marked here as A, but for the exams you have to locate only inside the state. Then Mumbai High, which is there in offshores of Maharashtra, which is outside, it is not in the land, it is outside, it is offshore of Maharashtra. We can see here Mumbai High. These two are the oil producing areas. Then C and D are the natural gas producing areas. So we can find here the state I have marked here Rajasthan, where Jaisalmer is the natural gas available area. I have marked here as C. Then the other one is Krishna Godavari Delta, which is there in the regions of Andhra Pradesh. That is also exactly, it comes in deltaic regions of Andhra Pradesh. So these four are the map locations. When you are doing for the exams, you have to just locate that area. No need to mention like A, B, C, D and all. Only need to locate or only need to shade that area. Thank you all.